All right, today we're taking a look at these nightstands. Now we ended up getting 2 of these, and this is from the brand SICOTAS. We went with the brown oak color. They've got, I think, 3 other color variations, one lighter, one darker, that's like a walnut, and then I think one more color as well. But I really like the look of these because you can see we've got the gold handles on these, which kind of goes with the aesthetic and the vibe of our room. We've got a lot of creams, we've got a lot of whites, and we wanted something that was gonna be slightly darker than our wall so it kind of stands out. Now we've got one here, and we've got another one over here. Our bed sits in the corner. That's just kind of how we like it. It's the most comfortable for us. And you can see we've got one at the edge over here, and this is where we put one of our humidifiers. We also have a little bit more storage down here. We haven't filled it up quite yet. Then we got a picture over here. And then back to this one over here. This is where we're gonna have the most utilization because it's right next to the bed. So I've got our lamp on here, another humidifier, and then inside of here, we've got all of our, nighttime stuff. We've got like a fan if we need it. We've got a speaker and so on. And then down here, we've got to fill these up. Now, I really like the design of this because it's not going to be your traditional squared out basic nightstand. This actually is squared on the edges, but you can see right here on these drawers, these are actually rounded out. So you do have a really nice contrast of that sharp cornered edge right there. And then you have a nice rounded corner there. So it gives this kind of soft yet still rigid design. And then these handles right here, these are gonna be just screwed onto here. So yeah, this is a very nice classic flat sleek design. Now another thing you're gonna notice here is if you look at this, it is a wide nightstand. This is not gonna be your typical small tiny nightstand that you usually find. And that's another big thing that we were looking for when deciding on a nightstand was we wanted something that was gonna cover this space because you can see from here to here, there's a lot of room. And if we've got a traditional nightstand, it's only gonna take up about half of this. So we wanted to make sure that we got something very wide. And this one's about 31 inches, I believe. So it covers up this whole area. And then the one that we've got over here, same kind of situation. We've got quite a bit of room here and we didn't want to put a little tiny nightstand here. So having this one that's a little bit more wide just looks a lot better. And I feel like it fills out your room, especially if you're going to be putting this in your master bedroom. Now, with that being said, even though these are nightstands, since they are this shape and this size, you don't actually have to use them as a nightstand. I've also seen people utilize these in their living room, in secondary rooms, in their lofts, pretty much anywhere around the house. You could really use these as more of like a side table / dresser kind of thing that can go pretty much anywhere in the house. I feel like it just fits into wherever you put it. So again, you don't necessarily have to have this in the bedroom right next to your bed like as a nightstand. It can be put pretty much anywhere in the house. Now, another thing too is you could also take 2 of these and put them together. So I've seen people use these in their bedroom as kind of like a media cabinet thing that's gonna go under your TV. So you can put 2 of these together and that's gonna be a whole 62-inch wide piece. So again, you can use this as like a media cabinet in your bedroom and there's so many use cases for these and they really don't just have to be those nightstands. Now let's look at some of the features here on this one specifically. I can go ahead and open this up. It's gonna be nice and smooth and soft. And these are just gonna be your traditional basic rollers like this. It's very easy to put together as well. Pretty much everything was you just need like a screwdriver or an electric screwdriver and you're gonna have these pieces right here that hold in kind of like the doors. And then you've got these rails on the side, which are just 3 basic screws. Everything in here is already pre-screwed out. So it's not like you're gonna have to sit there and drill anything in. All you do is just screw these little screws in and everything goes into place. But I really like the design and the way that they built this because it is nice and soft and smooth. And you can see when I put it back in, everything just falls right into place. And then you can push it in just with one hand, nice and easy. Everything also fit very flush as well. So there weren't any parts where I needed to really adjust. As soon as you put the screws in, everything kind of automatically aligns. And there's actually a decent amount of storage. You can see I've got some hats over here. My wife has some bags that she leaves in here as well. And yeah, you're able to actually store a good amount of stuff. Number one, because these are pretty deep, but the other thing is that this is just gonna be double wide of a normal nightstand. So you're gonna get way more usage out of it. And like I said, the larger the furniture you have in your room, the more grand it's gonna look and the more it's gonna fill out the space. Now let me show you a little bit close up of the design as well. Like I said, this one is gonna be the brown oak. So you can see it's a nice mixture of these darks and these light lights. So it gives this contrasty look, and you can see that it looks really nice. So if you wanted something that's gonna really show that wood grain, this is a good option. Now, if you wanted something that is gonna be a little bit more light, we also have this piece, which is from the same brand. And you can see this is a very, very light one. So it's not as much contrast between the wood. So you're gonna have lighter lights and also lighter darks as well. And it kind of just blends in a little bit more together compared to this one right here. You could really get that wood grain to stand out, and we like it. We've got these lime washed walls, which are very faint. You can see they're kind of like a cream color, very light cream color, but this sitting right up against it makes it look really nice. So if you're looking for a darker one, this is a good option. And then also the walnut that they have for the variation on this is also another good option. So if you're looking for some oversized nightstands, maybe to use here in the bedroom as actual nightstands, or if you wanted to combine two of these and put them together, or even three of them in your bedroom, and you can make a big media console, these are a really good option. I love the height on them. They're perfect for a traditional king size bed. They're also gonna be great to fill up some space because of how wide they are, and they've got plenty of room on the inside. So if you're looking for a really nice nightstand, something that is good quality and just looks great, then I would definitely recommend picking these ones up.